Hi everyone, this video is an exercise 11F question 3D. So we want to integrate 2x squared times sine 2x. Okay, so this is integration by parts, and we have basically the product of two different functions. So we need to make two choices at the beginning, one for u and the second one is for dv by dx. So as usual, whenever we have a trigonometric and an algebraic function, the priority is with algebraic function when we want to choose the value of u. But obviously, even if you, let's say, choose sine 2x to be equal to u, then once you continue your calculation in here, then you'll see that normally the integration is going to be very complicated. So I always suggest you that whenever you see that the integration is very complicated, make sure to switch the rules of what basically you chose for u. So you will see that if that's because of your choice or maybe just the question that is complicated. So in this case, u is equal to 2x squared, so its derivative is 4x, and then dv by dx is sine 2x. So when we integrate sine 2x, we'll get minus a half cos 2x. Now we use the formula of integration by parts, uv minus the integral of du by dx times b dx. So uv in this case is 2x squared times minus a half cos 2x, which is minus x squared cos 2x minus, now du by dx is 4x, and 4x times v is minus 2x cos 2x dx. Now we can rewrite this as, so this negative sign comes out of the integral, or actually maybe, yeah, let's just do the negative for now. So it becomes plus 2x cos 2x dx. Okay, so the same as the last few questions, we need to use integration by parts twice, because now we have 2x times cos 2x, and again we need to use one more round of integration by parts. So we need to make the choices again. So u is equal to 2x, and that differentiates to 2. dv by dx is cos 2x, and that integrates to a half sine 2x. Now we are going to substitute everything. So remember that we have this minus x squared cos 2x, and then for the second integral, basically we now substitute the formula of integration by parts first, and then we then substitute each of these components into the formula. So it's basically du by dx times v dx. Okay, so minus x squared cos 2x plus u times v now is x sine 2x, and minus, so du dx is simply 2 d by dx, and then that times v is just sine 2x dx. Okay, so we have minus x squared cos 2x plus x sine 2x, and sine 2x integrates to minus half cos 2x, so we also have this negative, so it's positive half cos 2x plus c. And yeah, so that's basically the answer.